All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part one. I'm going to ask you some questions. This topic is different, but still, you need to handle all the questions. The topic is mirrors. How often do you look at yourself in the mirror?
I look myself in the mirror many times in a day. Whenever I get up early in the morning, I wash my face and look up in the mirror, and then I go for a gym. I watch mirror several times there.
I look at myself in the mirror, or I see in the mirror. I look at myself in the mirror many times. Good, carry on.
When I go for a gym, I look
I look at myself.
I look at myself in the mirror. I think if you are handsome, it gives you a confidence.
Exactly, yeah. So when you look at the mirror, you say, wow, my soft skin. Let's go on. Have you ever bought mirrors?
Yes, I have bought some mirrors from my local bazaar, which attracted me. They are very beautiful, and they helped me to decorate my room according to my taste.
Okay, just try to elaborate a little more, add a couple of sentences. At the moment, you're answering in 3 sentences. So try to make it 5. Have you ever bought mirrors? Yes, once I bought a beautiful mirror from the market, from the local market. It was very beautiful, so it attracted me a lot. That's why I just bought it. And now this mirror is in my bedroom. Something like this. Okay, let's go on. Would you like to use mirrors to decorate rooms?
I don't think so. Mirrors play any role in decorating your room because just I have congested space in my room. I have some drawers for my books, so I don't like to decorate my room for a mirror. But I think it's important with mirrors. But I think it is important to have a mirror in your room so that you can look and.
Okay, that's good. Just try to conclude and add a couple of sentences in your answer. It's your turn now. Do you wear a watch?
Yes, I often wear a watch. I always have I do have a lot of collection of watches, but I'm not wearing one right now. I love them as they are. They make a person's personality and they make them look attractive. So I love watch.
Okay. Have you ever received a watch as a gift?
Yes. On my last birthday, one of my cousins gave me a watch. It was really pretty. And I always wore it when I went outside with my friends, but it was lost.
Okay, so sad, huh? Okay, why do some people wear expensive watches?
It's up to people, up to people's phones, and they love to. If they love to wear expensive watches, it's up to them because they think it may be a piece of it may be a piece of it may be a piece of
Okay, listen, just change the direction of your thoughts. Why do some people wear expensive watches? Well, some people wear expensive watches to tell others that they can afford expensive watches, and some people are brand conscious, and branded watches are always expensive. So I think to show who they are, they wear expensive watches. Anything like that, okay? So be clear about it. Thank you so much. All good.